Hey guys, I'm level 77, and today we are playing a game where you hybrid animals. There's this game that goes with it, except I'm not gonna play it because that game is really hard, and so I'm just gonna do a new game or something. And I can select the father and then the mother. I am going to choose. Maybe I'll choose a scorpion. I'll choose a scorpion. And I will breed it with alright. That would be boring. Ooh. A scorpion and a cheeseburger. Perfect. Okay. So we're breeding a scorpion and a cheeseburger. And it equals pinching burger. He's a nice little guy. Let's breed again. This time I'm gonna choose an owl with a gorilla. A hooting ape. That one actually looks sort of boring. I don't really like this one. Yeah. This one is sort of boring. Looks more like a gorilla. The octopus only have one eye. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. It's only got one eye. That is weird. So I'm gonna breed the octopus with Santa. Okay, octopus plus Santa equals. That one, I love that one actually. That one's actually really cool. I like this. And he's got one eye. Look, he's only got one eye. Okay, this time I am going to do a seahorse with a guitar or something. I like that seahorse. It's cute. That's Alexa's favorite animal. Oh my gosh. Looks like he's a unicorn. He's got a little horn sticking out. Is that an ant? Why is there an ant right there? Special ability is a force push. Force push. Looks like he's got a unibrow. This is definitely one of my favorite ones so far. Because he looks like a unicorn with a banjo. Yeah, he looks like a unicorn that stuck a banjo in his head. And then he got a unibrow. Or something like that. I'm going to breed again. I'm going to breed that tiger. That doesn't look like a tiger. It looks like a cheetah. What's this? It doesn't look like a poodle. I don't even see its nose. We are going to... What is that? A pufferfish. It's an ugly pufferfish. I don't like him. Okay, a turtle with... What's that? A human. Obviously. Turtle, human. Turtle plus human equals... Sheldman. It looks like a Ninja Turtle. Oh my gosh, it looks like a Ninja Turtle. Except without the mask on or anything. That looks so much like a Ninja Turtle. Alright, I'm gonna have to breed another animal with a human or something. Yeah, I'm doing a human. Except, with a pig. A human plus a pig. Alright, human plus pig equals... Oh my gosh, that looks like a regular person except with a pig face and a pig tail. And he's bent over weird. What's that? Whoa, what is that over there? See it? What is that? Oh, that's a pig. Let's breed again. This time, we're gonna do a snail And I want to do a snail and a chicken. Alright, a snail plus a chicken. What is it? Alright, this is probably one of the weirdest ones I've done before. This one looks basically just like a chicken, but with antennas, a weird face, and he's got a shell on his back. Alright, that one's definitely a weird one. And his special ability is to be giant. For some reason. Alright, I haven't even done the pufferfish. Let's do the pufferfish. And let's... How about a bunny? Pufferfish plus bunny equals... puffing fluff ball. Okay. I don't even have anything to say about that one. Alright. Check something. Okay. Doesn't say that. Okay. We're gonna do... Whoa, I dropped my nook. I'm gonna do another human plus animal breed. Alright. Human plus... Oh, Yeti. There's a Yeti. Human plus a spider. Let's do that. Human plus spider equals... Oh, and if you don't know, I have a very big fear of spiders. Once I saw one in my dad's car, and when he went into Sunoco, which is a gas station, I started hyperventilating when I saw this one that looked like a teeny mini tarantula. It was terrifying. Oh my gosh, you won't even believe. But anyways, this is our human spider. It's creepy. I hate it. It's definitely weird, though. It's really weird. It's a bald hawk. How is that a bald hawk? At all. How? What is that? Okay. So, thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you all again in the